Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our final Infinity Stone, which would be number 6, the Mind Stone, and that one's going to be yellow. We're gonna go ahead and just play with a few palettes today and some glitter. We're gonna go ahead and get into the James Charles palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill, the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Righty, and before we get started, I want you guys to go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe because makeup. Let's just get into it. Okay, so my lids are already primed with our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. First, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Morphe x James Charles palette, and we're going to go into the shade B, and we're just going to pack that on to our lid. And you'll want to blend that color almost to your brow bone to make sure everything is super pigmented. I want to go ahead and deepen that just a little bit. Go into the Zulu palette, the yellow color, and it doesn't have a name on it, so I'm gonna dip into that and pat that on our lid. Doesn't look like it's doing anything for us here, which is okay. Ready. And now let's go into the shade Access from our Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I forgot the name of it, so. Alrighty, so we gonna cheat a little bit, just a little cheating, just a little bit. It's okay, it's fine. So what we're gonna do is add some brown. Since none of the yellows that I have, I thought they were gonna be, like deep enough to do what I wanted them to do, but they're not. So we're gonna add a little bit of brown. Let's go in with the shade 10% Off and just deepen up the outer corners. There's a lot of yellow coming off. Okay. So I'm gonna go back in with that same color that we had beyond and just blend that out. And now we're gonna go ahead and take our concealer and cut our crease. So we're gonna do a half cut crease. And now that our crease is cut, we're gonna go back into that shade 10% Off and just make sure that there are no harsh lines on the edges. Go into the shade code James. And just for another transition. Blend that out with the brush that had B on it, but don't add any more of the eyeshadow. We're gonna wanna take a flat brush and go into our Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and dip into the shade Inheritance. Really pretty gold color. This is something I've been wanting to dive into for a while now. It's like glittery eyeshadow from Too Faced that I got on sale at Ulta. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of the Inheritance shade. Same brush that we used for Inheritance. I'm just gonna scoop some of this glitter off of the wand. And put it towards where the line of our crease is. And let's just let that dry down just a little bit. And while we're letting that dry, we're gonna go back into our shade Inheritance and just make sure it's kind of like blended in to that gold Too Faced shade. You don't want any harsh lines. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, this is not enough glitter for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it a step further and add the Glitterly Obsessed from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Outside the Line. These are actually not eye safe, so if you are going to use them on your eye, I recommend that you don't get them in your eye. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just further add to that glitter that we did on top of our Inheritance shade. I don't know if I should attempt a wing or not because I'm scared because I like the way this looks, but I want to do a wing. Nah, I better not risk it. Okay, so I'm not going to risk it. We're gonna play it safe, and I will just do some top liner with this brown because I don't want it to be, I don't know, if it's black it's gonna be too harsh. So just add some brown liner real quick. Okay, well I started the video with a full face so that way I don't have to just cut away and, oh, I need to fix my face like I normally do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line now. We're gonna hop back into our James Charles palette and pick up the shade 10% off. Just put that right underneath our lash line. Ready, and then go into the shade B and just kind of buff that out a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and do some mascara and lashes off camera. Now that we've got our lashes and mascara on, let's go ahead and add some inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the Juvia's Place Nefertiti highlighter. That inner corner highlight might not glow as much because we do have the glitter like right next to it, so that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the highlight pencil in Hot Chai. And I really wanted to do like a brown lip, but at the same time I love nude lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Dr. Facilier lipstick from ColourPop and my Shadow Man lip gloss, also from ColourPop, and just put that right on top. Ready, and now let's go ahead and add the rhinestones. Alrighty guys, and that would be it for our rhinestone mini series. Sad face. I really like playing with the rhinestones. But yeah, this would be our rhinestone look, and it's all yellow and happy. It's really like springy, and I like it. Springy, summery. I really like this look. And I hope you guys enjoyed the creativity that I put forth throughout all these videos, and just getting outside my comfort zone with some of these videos, coming up with ideas outside the box, not things that I would normally do. And so don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I actually do have one more video using the rhinestone, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!